Every Christmas cake begins with carefully selected ingredients, long before baking ever starts. Once selected, ingredients are locked into a single batch and tracked without interruption. Transport is designed to protect quality, consistency, and traceability. At the bakery, ingredients enter a controlled environment built for seasonal precision. Color, texture, and aroma provide the first indicators of quality.
Dry ingredients form the structural foundation of the cake.
Fats and binders are prepared with equal precision. Only when every element is ready does the process move forward. This is the final checkpoint before transformation begins. With ingredients secured, the heart of the Christmas cake process comes alive.
Inside the mixing hall, individual ingredients become a single controlled mass.
Once combined, the batter is transferred without exposure or delay.
Sealed systems preserve consistency as the batch moves forward. Automation ensures each batch follows its assigned production path.
Transport conditions are monitored continuously, not assumed.
Large-scale baking relies on coordinated internal logistics. Vertical transport keeps production compact and efficient. Buffer zones regulate timing across the entire line. Clean transport protects the product before shaping begins. Positioning prepares the batter for its final form.
Verification prevents errors before full production resumes.
With transport complete, the cake finally takes its shape.
Consistency is built by repeating the same action thousands of times.
Inside the bakery, movement replaces waiting.
What begins as one batch quickly becomes an industrial rhythm.
Even automated systems depend on human attention.
Temperature and airflow are tightly controlled before baking.
Timing keeps every cake identical before baking.
Small adjustments prevent big problems later.
This is where ingredients begin to transform.
The Christmas cake's journey now enters the heat. Baking begins the moment controlled heat surround the batter. Heat activates the structure that will define the cake.
Moisture escapes gradually to preserve density and richness.
Controlled heat sets the crumb without drying the cake. Sensors regulate every degree of heat in real time. By design, shape and strength are locked together. Controlled heat sets the crumb without drying the cake. The final moments determine flavor, color, and finish.
Controlled heat sets the crumb without drying the cake.
As heat releases, the transformation is complete.
Moisture is managed carefully to prevent cracking.
Early inspection ensures problems never move forward. Stability is allowed to develop naturally. With baking complete, the cakes move into controlled cooling. Cooling begins gradually to protect texture and structure. Balanced airflow ensures every cake cools at the same rate. Controlled settling locks the cake's internal structure. Sensors confirm the cakes are cooling exactly as planned. Proper cooling prepares the cakes for safe handling. Gradual transition prevents thermal shock.
At this stage, the cakes are fully stabilized.
Alignment ensures precision in the next stage. Human oversight. Human oversight verifies what sensors already confirm. A light glaze prepares the surface to hold festive toppings.
With cooling complete, the cakes are ready for finishing.
Decoration begins in a controlled environment designed for precision.
Uniform cooling preserves consistency across the batch.
Alignment ensures every decoration follows the same pattern.
Colorful fruit defines the Christmas cake's signature look.
Texture is added carefully to preserve balance. Automated vision confirms uniform decoration.
Human skill refines what machines begin.
A final seal protects both appearance and flavor. The Christmas cake's festive identity is complete. Stabilization ensures decorations remain intact. Sidewalls confirm uniform baking and fruit distribution. With decoration complete, the cakes move toward final approval. Before packaging, every cake must pass strict quality checks. Even decoration is essential to brand consistency. Precise weight confirms accurate portioning. Shape and height reveal internal stability. With decoration complete, the cakes move toward final approval.
Final quality control begins with visual confirmation.
Final visual checks confirm surface integrity and finish. A clean slice reveals structure, moisture, and fruit balance.
Uniformity across the batch confirms process control.
Human judgment reinforces automated checks.
Sampling verifies internal quality without slowing production. Internal structure confirms proper baking and balance.
Sensory checks complete the evaluation.
Only approved products continue to distribution. Quality control never interrupts momentum. With approval complete, the cakes move toward distribution. With quality cleared, the cakes move directly into packaging. Packaging begins without altering the cake's form.
Protective wrapping preserves both freshness and presentation.
Production scales to meet seasonal demand.
Shape accuracy ensures consistent packaging and presentation.
Final checks confirm packaging accuracy.
Packaging is engineered to fit the product exactly.
Careful handling protects the finished surface.
Each carton is sealed for transport stability. From factory to families, the Christmas cakes move forward.
After approval, production moves into seasonal storage.
Orders are released as demand peaks.
Distribution begins with careful loading. From the bakery, the cakes travel outward.
The journey continues at the point of purchase.
Inside the box, the craftsmanship remains intact.
Every slice reflects the care built into the process.
Quality is measured by the experience it creates.
A simple choice connects factory to home.